Bitches, we the best music. Another one, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from the market, and although I said I was just gonna get a few things, that never happens with me. So I did get a little bit more of what I planned to, at least. So I'm just gonna start putting everything away. I still need to kind of clean my fridge and take out anything that has been for a while, just to make room for the things that I just bought. So one thing about me, I love to organize, and I love to watch videos, and I love to watch organization videos. I love to watch people putting things away and just making everything look nice and organized and clean. That's exactly what I'm about to do. So if you guys want to see a little bit more, then just keep on watching.
Bitches, we the best music. Another one, yeah. DJ Khaled. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor.